They don't send a letter. They don't give you a heads up. They just show up, and when they do, your dream of living in the UK ends right there. In handcuff on a one-way flight with a 10-year ban stamped on your name.
Well, since coming to office, I can announce today we've returned more than 24,000 people who have no right to be here. That would have taken the Rwanda scheme 80 years to achieve.
We've been putting things in. He has been voting against them. Take indefinite leave to remain. We wanted it to be 15 years. It's too quick, the rate at which people get British citizenship. We need to do something about that. He's watered that down to 10 years and again kicked it into the long grass. What will solve the problem is systemic change. Things like disapplying the Human Rights Act. We need to make sure that we have enough people in our country working before we start looking to other countries. It isn't just the workers who are coming in, it's also the dependents that they bring in. The small boats crisis is getting worse. They need to do things now, and there are opportunities and proposals now that they can take forward, not just announce a white paper looking to the future.
Well, the rules need to be respected and enforced. The asylum and immigration systems are important, but for too long, those rules just simply haven't been properly enforced.
As a matter of national security, over the weekend, an illegal immigrant from Iran, who we believe came by boat, was arrested in the north of England on serious charges of terrorism.
Serious. The last government lost control of the borders. We are taking powers. The Borders Bill, precisely to his point, the Borders Bill is the first bill to give terrorism-like powers to law enforcement.
In towns and cities across the UK, these delivery drivers are everywhere. We all use them, but increasingly, the person who turns up at your door is breaking the law. Police have just stopped this rider on the seafront. As they carry out checks, immigration enforcement teams hang back, out of sight, so as not to alert other drivers that they're around. Other immigration officers have stopped an Indonesian delivery driver. Checks on him indicate he is working here illegally and likely faces deportation.
You may be hardworking, you may be honest, but if you break any of these 5 rules, the UK will send you home fast, cold, and unapologetic. And the worst part, most people don't even know they are breaking the rules until it's too late. Let's break down 5 UK rules that deport immigrants instantly. Don't scroll. This could save your life. Rule number 1. Overstaying your visa. Section 24 of the Immigration Act 1971 makes it a criminal offense to overstay your visa even by just 1 single day. You think you're fine. Maybe you're applying for an extension. Maybe you're just waiting to get married or land a job. That is not an excuse. In 2023, a 32-year-old Nigerian woman in Leeds overstayed her student visa by just 4 months. She thought she was in processing, but during a GP visit, her name flagged in the system. Within 48 hours, she was deported. No court, no argument. Overstayed, get out. Rule number 2 of the do not break rules in the UK is no recourse to public funds. Your visa may look innocent, but in small letters it says no recourse to public funds. No universal credit, no housing benefit, no child tax credit, nothing. A Ghanaian father in Corridon claimed housing help after a fire. He thought it was an emergency exception. It wasn't. At his next visa renewal, he was refused. His entire family was removed. Even applying is a breach, and the Home Office checks everything. Rule number 3 is fake documents or lies. 1 strike, lifetime ban. If you lie on a UK visa application,
you are banned for 10 years no second chances.
Under paragraph 320 sub 7a of the immigration rules, false documents, fake addresses, or inflated income count as deception. 22-year-old Indian student submitted a doctored bank statement for a Type 4 visa. Caught during biometrics, visa denied, cars revoked, banned for a decade. The number 4 rule is criminal convictions. Under the UK Borders Act 2007, if you're convicted and sentenced to 12 months or more, you face automatic deportation. But even repeat minor offenses can be enough. In 2023, a Jamaican man was deported after 2 cannabis-related arrests. No violence, no theft. But the judge said, your presence is not conducive to the public good. Rule number 5, surprise raids and spot checks. You think no one is watching? Think again. The UK now runs over 100 immigration raids a week. They check car washes, warehouses, restaurants, and homes. A Nigerian man working in Essex was caught during a workplace ID check. He had pending asylum case, but no work permit. He was removed under 72 hours. Employer fined £40,000. No visa, no job, no mercy. But not all stories end in deportation. Maria, a Filipino nurse, came on a Type 2 visa. She followed every rule, saved every document, renewed on time. Today, she is applying for indefinite leave to remain. Her kids, British citizens. You don't have to live in fear, but you must live smart. These 5 rules, they are real, they are ruthless, and they are non-negotiable. Know your visa, read the small print, don't cut corners, because one wrong step and this country will send you home. No explanation, no emotion, and no apology. Ignorance is not an excuse, but knowledge is power. So share this video, protect yourself and protect someone you love. Also check out our next video tagged here.